Hi everyone, it's Sarah here, and I've got a massive unboxing haul video for you all from Rosie's studio in New Zealand. And I think I'm just going to do it in one video, and I'm just going to flick through it, and then if there's anything that you see that you want me to go over or touch on again, then I can do. But I got so many things. I think I've got 103 items, and the package was 7 kilos. It weighs an absolute ton. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through this now. If it's a long video, it's a long video. Grab a cuppa and sit down and have a wee watch. Okay, here we go. So the first one is Better Together chipboard embellishments, 2 sheets, and it's lots of lovely little hearts, both sides. Next one, this is Rosie's Studio Puffy Dot stickers, and it's from the This Is Us collection. I've got quite a lot of different collections that I've knocked my camera there, apologies. So, you know, it's not just one collection, it's a few different collections. And that's, again, this is from This Is Us, and I've picked up 2 of them. Again, this is double-sided. This is from In the Neighbourhood. I like that cuppa. Lots of nice things. This is from Frolic. It's nice for Easter, this one. Puffy stickers. This is Frolic as well, and it's puffy words, stickers. And this is, again, it's Frolic, and it's cardstock stickers. 4 sheets you're getting in there, and that's what you're getting in the back. This is Work of Heart, and it's puffy stickers. This is Celebrate You. I like all these rainbows actually. It's puffy stickers, and it's just 1 sheet. Again, this is double-sided, and this is Brand New Day, and you're getting lots of frames and things in here. I like that wee sheep, nice wee rabbit. So that's lovely. I see a unicorn on this one. So this is called By Starlight. Lots of words and chipboard stickers. This is called You Make My Day, and it's double-sided again. This is what I've been needing. I've not really got an awful lot of embellishments. This is Frolic, and it's chipboard embellishments, and you've got 2 sheets. Now, there was quite a few deals that I did where you were getting 20 packets of stickers for $10, and then there was another big bundle deal that was for $15. So a lot of this is from that. And then I bought some paper collections. Excuse my breath. My breathing's better today, but when I talk a lot and try to breathe at the same time, that's when I struggle, because my throat closes up. So apologies if I start to get a bit wheezy and breathless. So this is Starlight, by Starlight, and it's puffy word stickers. And then we've got foam stickers for Brand New Day. That's just 1 sheet. These are 2 sheets. This is Work of Heart, and these are glittered alphabet, and they're cardstock, they're not puffy. Both sides. Another alphabet. This is In the Neighbourhood. These are nice colours, and this is the first of me seeing these, and this is me unboxing this with you, because I've not just moving some of this stuff to the side so that things don't start falling over. This is Roll With It. I've got a niece that likes rollerblading and skateboarding and ice skating, so these will be handy for her. Starlight, and these are all the star signs. That's quite cool. And then this is Work of Heart, and it's puffy alphabet stickers. They're quite nice. Oh, these are cute. So this is Celebrate You, and it's dimensional embellishments. I'd like to have a go at making these myself. I'm going to do that soon. So that's a note to myself that I'm going to try making these. Better Together chipboard frames, 12 pieces. Now, I really needed chipboard frames. I needed chipboard frames last week because I had some cards to make. But I didn't have any, so they'll come in handy. This is Better Together, more chipboard sentiments and things. This is Hearth and Home. These are nice. Puffy stickers. And this is Hearth and Home, and it's dimensional embellishments, and you're getting one sheet, so it's kind of Christmassy. And again, this is Hearth and Home, and these are chipboard embellishments. And they're quite cute as well. I'm just hoping all this is in frame. This is Nature's Gift, and it's chipboard embellishments. And this is Unconditional foam glitter stickers. And then this is You Make My Day, and it's puffy motif stickers. This is Roll With It, excuse me, and it's chipboard stickers. And Celebrate You puffy stickers. I'm hoping I'm in frame with this. I'm just going to stand up and check, because I would hate to have gone through all this lot and then you can't see. So this is Better Together, and it's puffy dot stickers. These are quite cute. They're quite cute, and I am in frame so I can sit back down and carry on. This is Beautiful, and it's chipboard embellishments. And some more there. This is Nature's Gift, and you're getting chipboard embellishments. That's pretty, that's pretty. Lots of nice things. I'm going to be sorted now for a very, very long time. What's this? This is Sprinkled with Cheer, and it is chipboard frames, perfect for Christmas. And this is Nature's Gift. I think I've already got one of these, but that's fine. I ordered, some came in the big bundles, and then I ordered additional ones when I seen them. So these are floral die cuts, and that's what you're getting in it. And this is Frolic. Lots of nice things. And this is Work of Heart. I have to keep tapping them down because it's hiding the name up here. This is In the Neighbourhood. Scripty puffy stickers. And this is Unconditional, and chipboard stickers. I think that's just the same. Yeah, it is. So that's two the same. Then you've got Roll With It, nice wee rainbows, and it's just one sheet. Oh, these are nice. Nature's Gift, and these are gemstones. You can see them okay. And then One of a Kind enamel stickers. I do love enamel stickers. These are lovely colours. And this is Us, and it's more chipboard embellishments. I might actually just do the embellishments first and then come back and do the papers. Again, this is Us, that's just the same as that last one. In the Neighbourhood, puffy stickers. And then this is Us, die cut shapes, and that's what you're getting. Let me just put that back a little bit. And then Nature's Gift, and that's what you're getting. And then Hearth and Home, kind of Christmassy ones, that's what you're getting. And Hearth and Home chipboard frames. If you want me to open any of these, give me a message and I'm happy to do another wee video for you, letting you see what's in each one. But because I've got so much stuff, I don't want to do a massive big long video. So by Starlight, and this is Embellishment sticker pack, and it contains 4 sheets, so it's all the star signs. And then all wrapped up, puffy alphabet stickers. And then Frolic chipboard alphabets. And then Oh Joyful Day clear sticker pack. So that's quite nice. And then all wrapped up, you've got a chipboard embellishment pack, double-sided. All wrapped up, puffy stickers. I like the wee candy canes, they're cute. And this is all wrapped up, puffy stickers, single sheet. Very Merry. I actually got these from Spellbinders in a card kit. So Rosie's Studio must make the card kit stuff for Spellbinders, because I've definitely got these. And I did look on the Spellbinders website, and all this kind of stuff that I've bought is on there, and it's much more expensive. So go to Rosie's Studio direct in New Zealand, and the shipping is really quick, because I only ordered this last week and it's here already. So Very Merry puffy stickers. Then we've got Very Merry cardstock sticker pack, and you've got 2 sheets. Oh, I've had this before as well. Very Merry. And this is all wrapped up chipboard sticker sheets. All wrapped up puffy stickers, they're nice. Very Merry alphas. Sprinkled with cheer, puffy stickers. Hearth and Home, puffy sentiments. And this is Work of Heart, and that's puffy stickers again. And then this is Us, puffy stickers. Sprinkled with cheer, puffy stickers. There must have been a sticker pack and an embellishment pack or something like that. This is Us, puffy stickers. More puffy stickers. Brand New Day, cardstock stickers, 4 sheets. Oh, I didn't think I ordered a stamp set. Rosie's Studio. This is Us, with the little Russian dolls. Very nice. And then we've got journal cards from This Is Us. Again, This Is Us. That's not going to go down. Puffy hearts. Better Together sprinkles. They look nice. More sprinkles, and this is one of a kind sprinkles. Now that I've ordered and I know that it comes quick and it's good quality, I would place another order. This is Nurtured, and it's chipboard frames. Hearth and Home chipboard frames. And This Is Us chipboard frames. These are more ornate, these ones. They're quite nice. Okay, so that was all the embellishments. I think I'm going to come back and do the paper, and then I can flick through it. But what I'll do is I'll sort all these little sticky things at the sides first before I start, so that I can get through it quicker. And I'll be back with part 2 of my Rosie's Studio haul in a minute.